Snapchat error camera access. For a quick tutorial today, guys, please subscribe and click that bell on for more videos like this. So first, we could see here that our camera is not allowed or it is not available for Snapchat. First thing that we're going to do is go to our settings, and here we will go to app list under app management. So in the app list we can see all of our apps, and what we're going to do is to find Snapchat. So here is Snapchat. So in here we will go to permissions. As we can see that the camera is actually denied, so it is not available for Snapchat. So just allow camera, and just like that we can see here that our camera is now perfectly fine and it is working. Another solution for this is we would go to our Play Store. So in our Play Store, just simply search Snapchat and look for available updates. So if there are available updates, just update your Snapchat so there will be no more problems. And there you go, guys. So as you can see, the camera is working, and I hope this tutorial works for you. See you on the next video.